Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to go over how you must learn hacking in 2025. I'm going to start with a tutorial of a couple of networking tools, talk about the challenges, Linux tools that you must learn. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Let's start with Nmap, right? Basic Nmap scanning. Getting started, right? Nmap allows you to perform various network scanning tasks, right? Including detecting live hosts on a network, discovering open ports, identifying software and version information, detecting operating systems and hardware, addresses, finding potential security vulnerabilities. Now, there are a little bit of some basics, but I'm also going to give you some advanced too, right? So the basic scanning commands, you have the single host scan. To scan a single system, use the simplest command. Peter, please put that code on the screen. Host discovery is another. To find live hosts on a network, Peter, please put that code on the screen. Now, this command sends ping requests to all addresses in the specified range and list of active hosts. We have subnet scanning, but before I proceed with subnet scanning, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Thank you. So subnet scanning, to scan an entire subnet and get detailed host information, Peter, please put that code on the screen for them. Now, in regards to advanced Nmap techniques, you have the Nmap scripting engine, NSE. The Nmap scripting engine allows for advanced scanning capabilities. Peter, please put that code on the screen for them, right? Basically, this runs default scripts for more comprehensive scanning. You have the advanced scanning options, the service detection that identifies software and versions running on ports. You have OS detection, determine the operating system of target machines. Firewall evasion, you can use techniques to bypass security mechanisms. Key scanning techniques, Nmap supports multiple scanning methods. You have the TCP connect parentheses scanning. You have the TCP reverse ident scanning, the FTP bounce scanning. Now, pro tips, use advanced techniques to bypass firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Customize scans for specific network auditing needs. Practice different scanning approaches to become proficient. So that was Nmap. Let's get into Wireshark, which is another network security tool. Now, network connectivity troubleshooting is a key thing that Wireshark helps professionals troubleshoot, right? By visually understanding packet loss, reviewing TCP retransmissions, graphing high latency packet responses. Packet filtering techniques are, right? You can use various display filters to examine specific network traffic. Peter, please put the code on the screen as I talk. You have the IP address filtering, the IP source, which shows packets from specific source. You have the IP DST, which shows packets to a specific destination. You have the IP ADDR, which shows all traffic except to/from a specific computer. Protocol specific filters, you have the TCP port EQ25, which shows SMTP traffic. You have the ICMP, which displays only ICMP traffic, typically ping. The HTTP request or the TLS handshake type EQ1. Reveals web traffic and domain names. Now, advanced analysis techniques. Wireshark offers powerful analysis capabilities, right? Like, you can follow the HTTP streams to view complete web sessions, generate firewall rules directly from captured packets, examine application layer sessions even when encrypted by SSL/TLS command line alternative for remote systems. Now, T-Shark provides similar functionality to Wireshark, allowing packet capture and analysis from the command line. So those were the networking tools, but you're gonna have to also learn Linux distribution and tools for ethical hacking, right? And some of the, the ones that stand out to me is Parrot OS, okay? So Parrot Security OS is a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and security researchers. So here is, basically a comprehensive tutorial for getting started. Now, in regards to installation methods, virtual machine installation, download VirtualBox from the official website. Download the Parrot Security OS ISO from the official Parrot website. Create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox. Allocate appropriate RAM and storage. Mount the Parrot OS ISO in the virtual machine storage settings. Direct installation options are as goes. The live USB mode, you can flash the ISO on an 8GB USB stick. Hard disk installation, permanently install over existing operating system. Post-installation setup is as goes. Initial configuration steps. The root account setup, open the terminal, use command sudo su, set root password sudo password root. System updates, run sudo apt update and an apt full upgrade. Why? Peter, please put that code on the screen. Now, there are optional configurations. Install graphics drivers for NVIDIA. Install media codecs. Peter, please put that code on the screen. Install Parrot meta packages like the sudo apt get install Parrot tools full. Peter, please, you can put that on the screen for them as well. Another Linux tool you're going to want to know is Backbox, which is a penetration testing and security assessment oriented Linux distribution. Now, here are the steps to use Backbox. The installation methods are: you can install Backbox in two primary ways, as a virtual machine or as a standalone operating system. So in regards to virtual machine installation, minimum system requirements are a 64-bit or 32-bit processor, 512 MB RAM, 8GB recommended, 4.4 GB disk space or 6 GB recommended. Installation steps: download the Backbox ISO image, open VirtualBox, create a new virtual machine, select Linux as the type and Ubuntu 64-bit as the version. Allocate RAM and create a virtual hard disk. Mount the Backbox ISO file. Boot the virtual machine. Choose Install Backbox Linux from the boot menu. Follow the installation wizard to set up time zone, username and password. Now, the key features and tools, it has so many in regards to penetration testing, which is why it is great for someone who's trying to learn hacking in 2025. You will learn information gathering, network analysis, vulnerability assessment, exploitation, forensics, stress testing, reporting. Okay, so that's all that package has. Now, the best programming languages for hackers in 2025, I would recommend, are JavaScript, Python, C++, or C. Now, the challenges in learning ethical hacking, especially in 2025, is it's a demanding field that requires dedicated practice and continuous learning. It's not an innate talent, but a skill that can be developed through systematic training. So, the primary challenges that often occur is the complexity of cyber threats. The cybersecurity landscape is always, it's increasing and it's sophisticated, especially in 2025. You have AI-powered cyber attacks that can create polymorphic malware, advanced phishing techniques using generative AI, potential threats to physical infrastructure through sophisticated hacking methods. Now, skill development, that also, presents challenges, right? Learning ethical hacking requires continuous practice in virtual lab environments, solving complex problem, solving scenarios, staying updated with rapidly evolving technological threats. Now, the recommended learning approaches to tackle these challenges are the use of virtual labs, which provide safe environments to experiment with hacking techniques, test skills without real-world consequences, gain practical experience, like, hands-on training, focus on real-world scenarios that build confidence in resolving hardware, software, and networking challenges, okay? So that is what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you gain value, you are educated and entertained. Also, please let me know in the comment section how you feel. See you in the next video.